He's gonna dunk. Wow. Drives in, creates space, takes a chance, three-pointer. Missed the opportunity for an open three-pointer. Kuminga, easy dunk for him. It's wide open, 2 points. Dribbles and looks for space. Shoots for 2 points. Doncic, nice two-pointer. Check out that dunk. Wow! Can't keep up. Steps back and shoots. Doncic, a three-pointer. He's gonna dunk it. Zion makes the crossover and shakes off the defender. Excellent pass. Thompson with the catch and shoot. Shot's good. Perfect, just like his free throw. It's a tough three-pointer. Missed the contested three-pointer. Kuminga! Whoa, what a block! There's no time left for them. Kuminga! Drives in, creates space. Rejected! Luka Doncic finds an open teammate. Great awareness. Ready to jam. Kuminga! Zion! That's a loud block! No! Stop Zion and his powerful charge. Three-pointer. Defender is guarding him closely. Great defense. The shot was interrupted. Check out that dunk. Zion. Wow, an amazing dunk. Dribbles and looks for space. Three-pointer in the defender's face. That's not a good shot. He's gonna dunk it. Strong dunk. 2 points. Off, Zion. Here comes a layup. So close. Check out that dunk. Kuminga. Shoots a three-pointer. 30 seconds remain. The trailing team still has a chance to catch up. Looks like he's gonna dunk. What? Shifts the defender's balance. He's gonna dunk it. Kuminga. Let's see what they do. No! Stop Zion and his powerful charge. Countdown. The defender can't keep up. 4, 2, 1. He's finishing with a layup. The game has finished. Victory!